Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change default apps on Chuwi GemiBook. And to do this, let's click on the start and go to the settings. Inside we want to select the apps and go for default apps. Right here you'll be able to find all of the apps that you can set as a default, or you can go for the file type that you want to change the default app for. In this case, let's go for rare, and if we find it, actually, okay, so let's try a different way, that rare. Okay, so it seems that we can't connect detect the rare file, so we're gonna go for HTML. Select the file type, and now we can change our default app for this specific file type. And now let's move on to default applications, and in this case we're gonna go for the browser. Find whichever browser you want to set as your default one. You can go for Microsoft Edge, Opera, Google Chrome, whatever you like. Select it, and then in the top right corner of the screen you can set it as a default. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.